Two Hot Confessions.
Yes, and this time from a female.
Pag female kayo na yan, girls.
Female hottie.
Sige, ako muna sa unang part.
Hindi, go. Ikaw na yung bo.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, wait lang. What up, Too Hot? Kailangan ko ang advice on handling conflict with a partner na may issue sa galit. Familiar, ah. Yung guy ko ngayon, kapag nag-aaway kami, sobrang grabe siyang magalit to the point na nasasabi niya yung pinaka-hurtful na bagay. As in, sinasabi niya na nakakahiya ang mga magulang mo sa pagpapalaki nila sa'yo.
Ouch.
Palpak sila. Wow, grabe yun ha. Tapos, dadagdagan niya pa ng comparison sa mga ex niya. Sinasabing mas magaling daw sila kaysa sa akin. Sa lahat ng aspeto. Ang pinakamasakit, sinabi niya at least marunong sila sa kama, ikaw wala kang alam.
Wow.
Wow, grabe yan ha.
Ouch.
Pagkatapos ng lahat ng yun, magsusorry siya at sasabihin na hindi niya ibig sabihin lahat, hindi niya ibig lahat ng sinabi niya. Pero nung tinanong ko kung alin sa mga sinabi niya ang totoo, sagot niya hindi naman lahat, pero most of it totoo naman.
Wala kang kwenta sa kama.
Paano ko siya mapapatigil sa pagsasabi na sobrang masakit na salita? Masyado bang mahirap para sa kanya ang magpakita ng restraint kahit galit siya? Gusto ko lang malaman ang opinion niyo.
Wow.
Well,
Thank you. Our letter sender, Marilyn.
grabe yan na.
Thank you, Marilyn.
Thank you, Marilyn.
Thank you, Marilyn. Ay, below the belt yung mga iba
Ang
na
hirap
sinasabi.
kasi, parang, di ba, I mean, importante, number one, is kahit walang love in a relationship. Aminin natin, some people get married kahit walang love because of, whatever. Importante
Financial, whatever.
is may respeto.
Yeah. Kasi pag ganyan na yung mga sinasabi, ibig sabihin, wala na talagang respect.
Oo eh.
And if, I don't know, kasi for me, you will know the real feelings of a person if they're mad.
yeah.
'Di ba? Kasi parang doon nila nalalabas yung reality sa mga sinasabi nila. But sometimes naman, you say something that can hurt the other person para gumanti.
Oo, for the sake
Kahit
of
hindi
hurting.
mo
You like the
kahit
Carino
hindi mo-
brutal thing na para
Oo,
masaktan
kahit
mo,
hindi mo
masaktan kita,
minimin
pero I
para
love you.
masaktan mo lang siya.
Parang ganun.
So sasabihin mo yung pinakamasakit na salita para masaktan mo siya.
Quote and provoke ang tawag doon.
Yeah, pero
Provoke
kasi
and quote.
I don't know. Kasi pero for me kasi, if ganun nakasakit yung sinasabi ng isang tao, and then pag nagsusorry, nagkakaroon ng sugat or lamat in a relationship.
Oo.
Kasi,
Crack.
yeah, kasi you will sleep and then you will always remember the hurtful words na sasabihin ng isang tao.
Yeah, Tapos, okay, so mag-apologize siya, tapos okay na kayo. Tapos sa next away niyo, ganun na naman siya pag nag-away kayo, di ba? You have to give that relationship, that person, an ultimatum. Na hindi ko kaya, hanggang dito lang ako, respetuhin mo ko. You say that to me. You're like, kasi pag nagagalit ako, medyo nagmumura ako eh. But not towards him
Yeah.
Nagmumura ako sa situation na parang, ano naman eh. Alam mo yun, like hindi towards sa kanya.
Yeah.
So, he in fairness kay Rico, hindi niya ako pinapatulan. Kalma siya. Always.
Dito ako, Sherry.
Always.
Dito ako, Sherry.
And he just says na parang you shouldn't say those things kasi nga words really, it
Hurts more.
the pen
Yeah.
is mightier than the sword.
Yeah, that's true.
Totoo yun.
Kasi pag nasabi na sa'yo yung masakit na word, tumatanim siya.
Yeah.
And then, it will cause the other person to not really hate,
Trauma.
but inside, there's a scar.
Oo.
Like, no matter what, na parang sabi niya, I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to say it because I'm just mad. But towards the other person will have that certain scar
Yes.
na magiging mahirap na siyang i-heal.
Exactly.
I mean, even if this person will say, it's okay, I forgive you. Pero deep inside, meron na yung sugat.
I mean, for
Yeah.
me, what I think about this, is that when you get in a relationship, when you're dating somebody, your job is not to fix anybody's trauma. Your job
Yeah.
is not to be anybody's psychiatrist, not anybody's mom, not anybody's dad. They have their own traumas. If they bring it into a relationship, that's a red flag already.
Yeah.
But
On the
sometimes
get-go.
kasi hindi mo mapigilan eh. Kasi
No, it
that's
doesn't
nature
matter.
versus nurture.
It doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
Na ganun yung kinalakihan mo, yun yung basis
It
mo.
doesn't matter. Kasi
And,
nga,
actually, you have to give that person more,
I give you one try.
more grace.
Oh,
Yeah.
Kasi ganun siya lumaki eh. Iba yun, Rico. You would not
Hindi ako-
understand that.
I'm
If you
not-
come from a good family
Yes.
and somebody comes from a sorry, like a family na may anger issues,
Yeah.
yung parents niya lagi
Yeah.
nag-aaway, magkaiba talaga. That's nurture.
Yeah.
Hindi,
That's
gagawin
true.
ko, kung mahal ko talaga siya, dadaling ko siya sa psychiatrist. O patingin ka muna bago tayo magtirahan, o magbanatan, o magkaroon na relasyon. Hindi ko responsibility to be your doctor, to be your
Yeah.
babysitter. I ain't got time for that. I'm not here to fix you.
Yeah.
I'm
No,
here
but
to be with you.
Maybe
know?
give
I mean, even
few
the sex is good
few
that way,
chances, you know,
Yeah.
give few chances kasi yun din naman, hindi mo din naman mapipigil yung isang tao if he or she grew up in an environment na medyo mahirap din.
Pero simulan mo sa screening, sa screening
but you
process.
can actually be that person who can actually heal the
Yes.
other person.
You know,
Gets mo?
exactly.
So, give that person a chance, maybe one or two, and if he or she does that again, then stop na, 'di ba?
So,
At least you
Once, twice lang.
Yeah, once, twice is enough.
Basta
And
the
then
sex is good.
well, yeah, of course, kailangan sex
The
is good.
crazier they are.
No, but you know, I don't blame Marilyn. Kasi tayong mga babae, sometimes meron tayong thinking na parang kaya kong baguhin tong lalaki.
Yeah,
to. Like,
tama yan.
kaya ko siyang i-save.
Yeah, kayang
Magbabago
isave.
to para sa akin.
Oh my God, parang
Alam mo
parang
yun?
ako lang yun. Marilyn, sobrang nakaka-relate ako. I mean,
but then
yeah.
again, it won't take somebody external
Yeah.
to change the person. It has to be that exact
Pero may
person.
limit siya
Hindi,
na.
pero may
You gotta put
limit, may
yourself a
limit talaga.
You gotta put yourself a
ako
limit.
kasi, I've experienced that. Exactly the same, experience with what she wrote. But yun nga, like what I said, give the person a chance. Alam mo yun? But kasi kung hindi naman, di ba, kung nasabi lang niya yung masakit para saktan ka, baka may nasabi ka rin na sobrang masakit din. But syempre, kailangan lang maglagay ka rin ng limit.
That's why there's non-negotiables. When you
Yeah.
get into a relationship, kung naman
Yeah.
yan, you're dating somebody, meron ka sa sarili mo na non-negotiables. Dapat di siya nagmumura sa'yo dahil yung nanay, tatay mo nga, hindi ka minumura. What more of this person that you're dating? Remember, when you're loving somebody, make sure that they love you more and as great as your parents. Because your parents, of course, would always want you to be treated well.
Yeah.
So, ganun yung mga non-negotiables. Kung maglilinya ka, wala ka non-negotiables, wala. Tawag sa'yo, doormat.
Okay.
Hindi, kasi meron din naman
You got me
kasing-
all triggered, girls. Don't even get me started.
Hindi, meron din naman kasing mga tao, Rico, na okay lang sa kanila yung ganong klaseng relationship. Yung,
Cariño
ganon.
brutal.
O yung pareho kayong
Kasi sex is
nagmumura.
good. Ganun yung sex
Ano,
is
ang
good.
Yeah,
tawag
I mean,
dyan, S&M, sadist, masochist
Yeah,
relationship.
kumbaga meron din naman kasing relationship na ganon, but it doesn't work for everyone.
Yes.
Gets mo? It doesn't work for everyone.
She's looking at me like, sadist.
Sadist, masochist. Diba? Sadist is the one na gustong nasasaktan. Masochist is the one na gustong nananakit.
What?
So sometimes these two meet and they're
Wow,
perfect
pero
for each
binibigay yung
other.
sarili, huwag mo ko saktan.
O, diba?
Pero nagpapatali.
But yo, I mean, real talk, no. If you guys need, advice and help, do seek counseling. Do seek help.
Yeah.
You as a couple, don't let the issue get out of the family, get to members of the family, because the other person will be judged. It'll never be repaired the same. All right?
No, but also,
Yeah.
if I may say something, no, parang I'm sure all of us have had relationships with a violent or with like may anger issues yung partner. No, so I came from few relationships ago na may anger issue siya, and kahit naging okay kami for a while, kapag nagkaroon kayo ng problema, pag napunta kayo sa stressful relationship, lalabas at lalabas kasi yung issues niya na yan. Yung anger issues niya.
Tapos, ano ginawa mo?
So, alam
Teka
mo
lang,
yun,
sa inyo ba to?
Oo nga.
no,
Hindi ko rin alam
no,
eh.
definitely not Rico. But, you know,
tapos?
nung nag-start out yung mga anger issues na yan,
Kailan mo nakita yung anger issues na yan? Ilang
Syempre,
months
pag
kayo?
nag-aaway
So,
kami.
ilang months yung una yung
madami
away?
pa,
Di ba usually
like
sa unang
ano
away?
pa, we joined pa reality show together, ganyan.
Di, pero yung
Tapos,
unang away, kailan
Hindi,
ba
pero
lumalabas?
kasi for me talaga, Rico, if binigyan mo na ng chance yung isang tao and if he or she does that again, then move on. Kasi you're gonna be stuck in a relationship where you're not going to be happy.
Yeah.
So,
Alam mo
okay
yun,
lang magkwenta.
you're not gonna be happy.
Para may kwenta ka.
Yeah, it's not gonna be a happy relationship if you be with a person who don't
But the
respect
sex
you.
is so good. Yung
Well,
minumura
you
ka
can
na.
get-
Spank me,
You
baby.
can find
you-
somebody else with good sex and with respect, di ba?
Si Meg nga
Kasi
tumatawad
kung
dun sa background.
words
Diba?
lang, medyo mapapalampas pa eh. Pero pag sinaktan ka na
Ay,
talaga,
ibang usapan yun.
like
Guess-
Hindi kasi yun doon magsisimula eh. Doon magsisimula.
Sabi niya, wala pa kayong anak, sinaktan
with
ka na.
words, ganyan, and then next
more
na nun, sasaktan ka na niya physically.
So, what I could do,
wag na.
if,
Wag na.
if somebody puts a hand on you, kunyari sinaktan ka, sinampal ka, go with B.
Go with B, ano
Ayan.
yun?
Punta ka sa barangay. Pabarangay mo. Pablatter mo. Tapos.
Wala na, hiwalayan mo na lang.
Hiwalay.
Pabarangay mo,
Walayan
pablatter
mo
mo,
na.
patulfo mo, tapos.
Yeah.
Simple as
It's,
that.
Walayan mo na.
it's really a
You do
tricky
not
situation.
deserve that.
Oh,
Trust
kasi
me.
Yeah.
alam mo, hirap kasi
Trust us.
minsan pag mahal na mahal mo yung tao tapos sasabihin mo hindi kasi galit lang siya eh. Kaya nagawa niya yun. Alam mo yun, ikaw
Ako
pa
na
yung
50-50.
magde-defend.
Ako na 50-50.
Huwag tayong maging tanga. Okay lang
Hindi,
maging
pero
tanga,
wag
huwag
na.
maging
Wag mo
tanga.
nang ituloy.
Wag na.
Kasi pag tinuloy mo yung ganong klaseng relationship, you will really live
Huwag
in
maging
a
tanga.
life na.
Alright?
Yeah. Hindi. You will have a really bad trauma and you will bring it with you like for life.
So this 2025,
So-
let us all survive.
Yeah.
Yeah?
At saka
Yeah.
pag nagawa niya yun one time, magagawa niya
Yes.
ulit yun ng paulit.
So wag na,
ulit.
girl. Put a stop to it.
All right, Marilyn, we hope we somehow solve that issue that you have. Sana naliwanagan ka ng konti. Once again, for those who want to write to us for Too Hot Confessions, toohotpodcast@gmail.com. Kung mag-iba man tong address natin, magkaroon ng Too Hot for Podcast na approve ng Gmail ang change address.
Yes.
All right?